Okay, good evening po sa inyo po lahat po. Ako po si Arvin G. Vlog with you. It's now game night tonight. Welcome po ngayon po sa laglagang portion po ng the third season Aviation Friendly League, Dabas sa Flying League. Okay, bago po natin po tayo ngayon. Ito muna, bago tayo magsimula. Mabagal ang aking cue card. Teka lang. Okay, this is your Aviation Friendly League, Dabas sa Flying League. We present now the quarterfinals. And before that, we would like to thank the following sponsors: Thread and Needles and Team LBC, Hari ng Padala. And of course, ito po ang SBB Pilipinas and PSBQ Basketball League. And we present now the quarterfinals match, first game of the quarterfinals match between CAS or Qatar Aviation Services versus QR Towers. CAS po tayo, club. CAS po, dubbed in the Golden Boys or the Golden Brown po yan. Road yung kailang motive, sa kabilang po is yung Mint Green Boys naman po. Yan po ang QR Towers. Wala na muna po tayong interview muna po dahil si hectic po schedule po natin. And also I think the referees now would like now to ask now both teams to meet in the center for a briefing po bago po tayo magsimula po sa larong ito. Okay? Referees? Antay lang po tayo mga boss, Sir Aris. Nasa na kayo? Magsisimula po ang laban. Okay. Okay, the referees now in a briefing now the both teams. Okay, they're briefing now. Okay, let's start na the game. First game for tonight, quarterfinals match, laglagang portion na po tayo yun, between CAS and QR Towers. 4 quarters po yan of basketball action. The winner of the game will advance outright to the semis and awaiting the winner between Airport United and of course ang Contact Center. Okay, final instructions now for both teams. Well wishers also. And first quarter now is about to start now between CAS and QR Towers. First five po. Okay, first five po sa CAS. 16 laki, 16 liit si Rivera. Lumawag, number 3 at si number 10. Okay, 16 laki at 16 lead po yan. 16 Rivera. Kabila naman yan pa si Bedzig. Si number 7, si Ong, si Talan. At si number... Di makita, number 50. I think so, number 50. Yes, it's number 50. That's si Santegra. Okay. Also si number 17 naman po sa Qatar QR Towers. Yan po. Dub in the yellow. Dub in the mint green boys po yan. White and green combination. Sa kabila naman po is yung CAS naman po. Yan po ang the Golden Boys. Rodeo motive po yan. First quarter start right now. Just wait now for the opening whistle. And let's get it on. Okay, first quarter now. And nando kay Ong kagad. Ong! 2 points Ong. Okay, first point kagad. Pinasa ni Ong. Pasok kagad kay Mr. Ong. Now si Canton. Canton, binababa ang bola. Canton, thinking Trinop is lumawag. Number 10. No good. And rebound ni number 16. Pops up. No good pa rin. Naka-rebound si number 17. Now si Ong na naman. Ong reading the charge. Ong, traffic, pops up, no good. And now si Lumawag, number 10, nakuha, nice steal by number, and now to Bidzig, number 4, 2 points, number 4. Okay, back-to-back field goals kagad po ang ginawa na po ng Team QR Towers. And if you notice po, yung kanilang bench po is medyo depleted. No good. And still now, number 16 now of the Cats po is sumagot na po kagad. Giving the first 3 points naman po sa kinukupulan. Si Ong, floater shot, malakas. One more time kay Ong, no good. Number 4, no good still. 4 for the rebound, clearing the board sa Canton. Canton leading, driving, and it's gone. Okay, 5-4 change favor na po gagad tayo. At 8 minutes 40 remaining, 5-4 na po tayo yun. Score po natin. Antegra, Ong, thinking 3, wag mo na raw. Thinking 3, it's 3, no good. Number 16 naka-rebound. That's Rivera, binababa ang bola. Rivera, pops up, ayaw niya muna to Canton for 3. No good. And it's Talan, nakakuha ng rebound. Okay, thank you sir. Sabihin ko boss, acknowledge.
Number 17.
And now, number 17, no good. Talan, out of bounds. Out of bounds po tayo kay Talan. Balik po rin po sa kasang bola. 5-4 po tayo at 7 minutes 53 remaining sa ating first quarter. Action pa lang po ito. Malayo-layo po ito. And Mr. Canton, binigay kay Rivera. Wala. Nandun si number 4. Palpal, pero sumabit si Talan. Number 12, Talan. 2 shots para kay Mr. Lumawag shooting for 2. First shot, no good. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Lumawag, second free throw, jumpers ready. Pambihira. Lumawag, second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Rebound barrel, wala pong nagawa po doon si Mr. Canton. Balik muli po sa QR Towers ang bola. Again now si number Bidzig. Si Ong pops up. No good. Nandun si Lumawag na naman. Lumawag. And ayan si Canton, shoutout kay Mr. Tan. Okay, kay Ari sila shoutout din. And fumble po, nakuha po ni Rivera po ang bola. Rivera, roll, Canton. Kamukha Nordan kasi. O, totoo. Parang Canton for 3, no good. Balik muli po sa QR Towers ang bola. Okay, Babagay. Thank you po, Sir Julius Babagay. Balik muli po tayo sa ating laro. Si Ong, driving strong. Pops up. No good. Nando si Talan. Wala pa rin. One more time. And Ilalera, scuffle po. Antegra. Balik, pinasan ni Antegra. Lumawag to Rivera, scoop shot. No good. Rebound by number 17. That's Bidzig. 17. Bounce pass. No good. Balik muli po tayo. 5 minutes 58 remaining sa ating first quarter action. Okay, tight skills and traffic ka. Ha. Okay, sorry sir. Nag-ano tayong data. Kay Babagay, shoutout po kay Sir Robas Tigas in play of the game. Si Tordinier Canton. Okay, Robas player of the game po yan. Robas Tigas action, player of the game po. Si Mr. Canton. Sabi ni Babagay, hindi sa akin nagaling yan ha. Then thank you pala po sa ating 11 viewers po right now watching the first game sa ating laglagang portion ng third season. Aviation Friendly League, Dabas sa Flying League. Okay, si Badjola is already watching also. Okay, Golden ball. Sabi ng referee, it's golden ball. Rivera. 5 minutes 53 remaining. Canton, thinking 3, setting up the play. Rivera, no good. Scuffle, nakuha. 2 points. Lumawag, 2 points. Lumawag. Taking draw of a parang taga ng bola. Taga-hatang bola po. And now si number 17. Number 4, floater shot, no good still. Eto na, binato kay Canton. Pinasa kay Rivera. Pasok pa rin siya. Then, tika ko to, thinking 3. Pops up, kapos. Nandun. Si Bedzig naman. Malakas. Rebound, still completed by Lumawag, Antegra, and it's a foul call on Antegra. And timeout po tayo. Cass calls for the timeout. The score is 4-7. 4-7 po tayo, mga boss. Roldan called for the timeout. Siguro and also, of course, palit pera po sila. Pinasok na po ngayon si number 19, si number 9, 26, at si number 15. Summon po na po si number 12. Sa kabilang yan po si Zoro, number 29. Si Mateo, si number 17, retain po si Ong, naka-retain po siya. At si number 22. Who's ball rep? Okay, cash ball. 26, Matayas. Thinking 3, no, wag muna raw. Matayas. And now to number 12, Dapitan. Pops up. No good. Rebound, 27. Mateo po naka-rebound. Good luck po, cast team, sabi ni Markiel Jen. Okay, thank you po, sir. Marinig po nila po yan. Matayas, thinking 3. No, kay Zoro. Pops up. No good. One more time. Nakuha po. Nakuha ni number 9. Now kay Matayas. Number 15, Matayas. And pops up. Palpal. And it's a foul po from behind. Number 27 called for the foul. And Dapitan po shooting for 2. Dapitan shooting for 2 po tayo. Dapitan shooting for 2. First shot di po pumasok. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. No good still. Zoro naka-rebound. Mateo binababa ang bola. 4 minutes 6 remaining. Mateo, 27. Mateo, floater shot. Kapos. Rebound. Foul on Zoro. Foul on Zoro. 3 minutes 51 remaining sa ating first quarter action. Christian Tan, shoutout kay Pace of the Night. Julius Babagay. Wala pa rito yung boss. And now to Mr. Contreras, number 9, pops up. Yan ang binatang kay Contreras. Yung kanyang side throw po niya. The side throw ni Contreras, it's in. Okay, now number 17, driving, double team. Ayun kay Zoro, 2 points Zoro. Nice shot ni Zoro. 2 points po tayo. Nilayo ko muna para iwas din sa ay! Good ball daw. Good ball. Nabitawan lang. Pops up. No good. Rebound. Battle won by number 22. Number 22. Naka-rebound po na to Zoro. Binababa ni Zoro ang bola. Mateo to Bedzig. Driving strong. Oh, fadeaway shot. It's in. 8-9. 2 minutes 40 remaining sa ating first quarter action. Ian Villanueva is also watching. Dapitan for 3. No good. Contreras, 2 points. Put back ni number 9. Yung kanya shock trooper ng Cass. Gumagawa na kagad. And now kay Zoro. Tunako kay Bedzig. Driving strong. 17 kay Zoro. Cut ni Bedzig. Same ball. Tap away lang po. Tap away lang po yung bola. It's a tap. Pakipress mo po kung mali na po aking boses. Maraming salamat po para mapag-adjust po tayo. Zoro sa ilalim. Same ball pa rin. Swipe away by number 9. By number 19. Gamaya. Swipe away by Gamaya. Okay, now kit Mateo. Ong. Driving strong. Pops up. No good. Rebound by number 22. Mateo. 22 naka-rebound. To Bedzig. Thinking 3. Malakas. 26 naka-rebound. Now kay Foncheras. Ayun kay Matayas. No good. Zoro naka-rebound. Zoro for the rebound. Kay Ong kagad. Pinasa kay Ong. Nice turn around shot. Not enough to do it. And to Contreras, number 9. Driving strong. Matayas, number 15. Malakas. Number 19, thinking 3. It's in 3 points. And a timeout called by QR Towers. The score is 8-14. 8-14 po at 57 seconds remaining. First quarter action. Okay, back to the ball game muli po tayo. Mga boss. Bakit? Okay, back to the ball game muli po tayo mga boss. It's back to the ball game. Na bola po ng QR Towers. Zoro. Alex is Zoro. Pops up. No good. One more time. Nako yung number 16. Number 19. Gamaya. Matayas. Malakas. 22. Bedzig. Kinuha yung bola. Bedzig. Driving. Bedzig. Hoop shot. Did in the bounce. It's good. 2 points. Bakit, Jem? Pasok na si Ari Sila kung panonoorin ko. Okay, 47 seconds remaining. The score is 10-14. Bedzig may tangan ng bola. Bedzig. Keong. Driving strong. In the bounce. It's good. Ong, 2 points. Last 32 seconds remaining. Matt Contreras, number 9. Nice. D. Contreras, top of the key. 2 points, Contreras. 2 points from top of the key. And now 15 seconds remaining. They're gonna go for the last shot. Bedzig. Bedzig. Jolen sana. Hindi po. Contreras. Nakuha. And okay. Jacek almost had the letter, but still, the score is 12-16. Lamang po ng 4 po ang, alam na po natin yan, ang CAS. 12-16 po ang score po natin yun. You are watching now the quarterfinals game between CAS and Contact Center. Quarterfinals po yan, laglagang portion. And after this game po is of course Hub versus Extreme Bowlers. Okay. 12-16 po score po natin ngayon. 12-16. Sir Owens, Coach Owens, good din po sa iyo. Second quarter now starting. Bola po ng CAS. Roll down for the inbound. Okay, second quarter po si Roldan. So umas-as. Si number 13, si number 27, si number 41, at si... Tama, okay na. Sa kabilang po, si Bedzig, si Jacek, si Talan, si Antegra, at si Ong. Okay, ito na si Umas. Number 5, Roldan. Omas. Number 13. Number 13, side step move. Kinasa mo na kayo. Ayun, malakas ang pasa. Okay, medyo malamig pa si number 27. Silva pala si number 13. That's Silva. Okay, kay Carmona. Shoutout kay Roldan, boss. Okay, shoutout kay Roldan. Zajeg. Ong. Sa ilalim, malakas ang pasa. Hindi na salo. Referee muna. Pag mo kay referee bola. Okay, ito na. 12-16 po score po natin. 9-19 remaining. And now Roldan. 27. Driving. Silva. Antegra. And nagkaroon pa ng traffic po. Roldan lost the ball. Balik muli po tayo sa Team QR Towers. Green ball po tayo. Now kay Ong. Number 7. Yan. Kay number Integra. Zajic for 3. Malakas. One more time. It's out of bounds. Balik muli po sa Qatar Evasive Response. Okay, J. Prince Gray. Dapat maraming shot po si number 4. Condition yan. Okay, sabi niya. Omas. 27. Kay Omas. Hoy! Traveling violation called by the referee. It's a traveling violation called on Omas. Number 5. And also okay, Zajic na ako ng bola. Almost stolen. Kay Talan sa ilalim. Talan, pops up. Malakas. Tape away. Hindi pa mubra. Tuy! Sayang. Touch ding the line. Okay, balik muli po sa Kasambola. 12-16 po score. 4 lang po yan. Roldan against Ong. Swiped away. And it's out of bounds. Same ball. Rep. Okay, back to the ball game. Omas for the inbound to Roldan. Binapati ni Ong. Driving strong. Good ball. Wala. Rebound by Bidzig. Wag na kayong magreklamo. Maglaro na kayo. Talan. Zajic. Talan. Driving strong. Talan. 2 points Talan. 2 points Talan. 14-16. Lamang po ng dalawa lang ang Cas. Roldan. Number 41 for 3. No. Zajic. Lead pass kay Ong. Tatabla. Tinabla nga. Tabla. Ong. Tabla. First deadlock of the game. 16 all. At 6 minutes 44 remaining. Second quarter action. Number 13. Silva. No good. Swiped away. Walang foul. Antegra. Malakas ang pasa. Ong. Easy shot. No good. Roldan naka-rebound. Roldan. Sa kabumunta. Roldan. Kick. Pass ka number 27. Sa ilalim. Palpal. One more time. 2 points. Number 41. 41, 2 points. That's 41, 2 points ng Cas. Hindi ko nakita yung pangalan. Pasensya na po. And one play naman ang binalik po ni number 17 si Bidzig. 17 Bidzig and one play binalat niya at 6 minutes 1 remaining. 18 all kagad tayo yun. Chance na to regain the lead. Pops up. No good. Rebound battle won by Ong. Scaffold. Thinking 3. Ayaw nyo muna. Ong for 3. No good. Rebound by Omas. By Roldan. Nagmamadali. Roldan. Palpal. Nice swipe by Zajic. Roldan, inbound. Number 10, Omas, hindi. Rebound battle, nakuha na kay Ong. Naiyan mo isa. Ong for the lead. 2 points Ong. 2 points Ong po tayo. 2018 first lead now been tasted again by Team QR Towers. Loss of ball. Regained by Ong. Zajig. Zajig driving strong. 2 points, Zajig. Zajig now. Binabantayan niya si Omas. Omas binaba ang bola. Omas. Omas. Number 5. Kick play with Silva for 3. The lefty. It's in! Tablados na lang po tayo. 21-22. Ay, long 2 lang pala. Sorry. Long 2 lang pala. Long 2 lang pala yung ginawa po niya ni Silva. Nice quality minutes kay Silva. Now, second half po tayo yun. Lumawag, number 3, si Canton, si Rivera. Sino pa po? Pasok. Change 5 po, change 5. Number 10 at si number 16. Kabila naman, of course, si Bedzig, si Soros, si Zajig, si Talan, at si number 10 ng QR Towers. Talan, Zajig for 3. It's 3 points. Zajig 3 points. Eraskin, number 22. Sorry po, Eraskin. That's Eraskin, 22. Canton for 3. No good. Rebound by Zajig. Zajig. Binabawa ang bola. Intercepted almost. 22 out of bounds. Okay, balik muli po tayo sa kasambola. Lumawag to Canton. Dictating the pace. Rivera, thinking 3. Daka crossover. Talan. Ayun, kay number 16. Mala. Rebound di Zoro. Bedzig, leading the charge. Bedzig. 2 points, Bedzig. 2 points. Maverick. Sir, second quarter na po, sir. 3 minutes remaining. Sir Maverick, second quarter na po tayo. 3 minutes remaining na lang po. Rivera, ilalim, foul kay Zoro. Lumawag, shooting for 2. This is now your first game of the quarterfinals matches between CAS and, of course, QR Towers. As of now, leading po ang QR Towers po ng 6. Lumawag, shooting for 2. Pops up, it's out. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Number 4 again, Lumawag, second free throw. Second free throw po tayo yun. At meron po tayong isang pants po dito. Kawin po kayo, ma'am. Ayaw niya. Kawin po kayo. Yan po. Yan po ang kanilang supportador po ng CAS. Top! Nice one! Nice hustle play mo sa Lumawag. Timeout na called by QR Towers. Nice hustle play ni Lumawag. Hindi niya sinut yun, pero kinuha niya yung loose ball at pinutback niya kagad. Again, Sir Maverick Valdez, ang quarter na po natin po is second quarter. At 3 minutes 27 remaining na lang po. Okay, you're watching first game po natin po, quarterfinals po yan. And afterwards po is Hub and of course, Extreme Bowlers. Okay, Zoro. Zoro may tayo ng bola. Zulueta. Number 4, driving strong. Ayun, si Bedzig. Pinapayungan. Bedzig. No good. Lumawag. Rivera. Leading the charge. Lumawag. And 1 play. And 1 play. Bina natin Lumawag. 27-23 ang score po natin. One more shot. 27-25. One more shot. Isa na po may kalamangan po ng QR Towers. Lumawag. Bonus free throw coming up. Lumawag. No good. Rebound ni Talan. Kay Ong. Kay Zajig. Lost the ball. Foul. Miscommunication po doon. Miscommunication po ang nangyari po kanina. Balik muli po sa Cas Ambola. Lena inbounding. Lena inbounding. Number 3, Canton. 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 Getting a pick. To Canton again. Canton. Now on pick. Canton. Step back. 3 points. No good. Zulueta naka-rebound. And now lead pass kay Bidzig. Bidzig. No good. One more time. Bidzig. 2 points. Bidzig. Creating space sa kanyang bantay. 29-25. Apat na po kalamangan. 22 minutes 30 remaining. And now Rivera. Boarding pa yan. Pasok. Rivera boarding. Pasok. And 2 minutes 21 remaining. 29-27. 29-27. Bidzig. Bidzig. Driving. Zajic. Same ball. Lalikod. Orange po tayo or pula ang linya po natin. Maraming salamat po. Bidzig. Bidzig. Malakas ang pasa. 29-27 at 1 minute 51 remaining. $1:51 remaining. Okay, number 3. Canton. A minute 42 remaining. Rivera. Kick off kay Canton. Canton against Ong. Nalusot. Back pass. Palpal. Swiped away by Zulueta. Nice D. Nice D by Zulueta. 6 seconds remaining. 6 seconds to shoot. Number 4. Palpal na naman. Rivera. Wala na. Wait. Okay, it's counted. Sabi na it's counted. It's count. 29 all. 29 all. Bidzig. Against Rivera. Bidzig driving strong. Bidzig. 2 points Bidzig. Floater shot. Teardrop. And kay Canton. 2 points Canton. Again, 31 umuli po tayo. 51 remaining. Zulueta. Zajic. Kay Ong thinking 3. Tapos. Rebound battle won by Zulueta. No good. Same ball.
14 shot up.
Handball kasi laro. Handball. Variet ang basketball. And Talan. Kick out pass kay Bidzig. Intercepted. Steal completed. But counter steal. And Ong, floor to shot. 2 points Ong. 33-31. Intercepted again by Zajic. Ong, floor to shot ni Ong. Malakas. 10 seconds remaining. Lumawag. Nakakuha pa ng foul si Lumawag. 5 seconds remaining. Bit-bitin pa ang bola. Sumakay ka pa, sabi niya. Lumawag, shooting for 2. Bit-bitin pa ang bola. Sumakay ka na, sabi niya. Pops up. It's in. Second throw, para itabla. Second throw. Para itabla. Pops up. It's in. Tabla. 5 seconds remaining. Stepping violation. Okay, stepping violation doon. Lumawag. Ong. 2 seconds. Zoro. Sayang. Tadla. 33 all po tayo. 33 all po tayo. And we will be back po sa ating third quarter action. Sa ating first quarter finals match between QR Towers, clad in white and mint green combination versus Kaspuyan clad in golden brown Rojo motif. We'll be back po The winner of this game now will face now the winner between Contact Center and Airport United later. And next week po will be our semifinals match po for the Final Four. Kaya mabigat po ang mga laro po ngayon sa gabing ito. Okay, sino pong nanonood po right now? Si John Bacchiano is watching. Si Austin Barantes nanonood din po. Sabi ni J. Prince Gray, dapat makarami rin shot si number 4. Nakakondisyon daw siya. Si Dave Pirido nanonood din rin po. Pasok din si paring Alice Sila. Ako rin panonoodin ko. Good luck sa'yo, brother. Si James Blooms ko. Okay. And also, si Julius Babangay. Maraming salamat po yun, sir. Nasaan ka ba ngayon, sir? Maglalaro ka ba ngayon o nakalipad ka? Mr. Julius Babagay. Pinay OFW, pambira. Ba yan? Nothing but bad news. New comment. Sir, ba yan? Sir Maverick Valdez, third quarter na po, sir. Third quarter, I repeat, third quarter na po. Sir Maverick Valdez, I repeat, third quarter na po tayo. We're about to start the third quarter action. Hub and Extreme Bowlers, pumunta na po kayo dito. Maraming salamat po. Okay, third quarter action. Okay, sir. Any word, sir? That's Mr. Bidzig and also his own partner, Zajig. And of course, sa kabila na po, okay. Third quarter action, Bautista, number 3, Carton, 26, number 2, si Alice Sila. Kabila naman si Bid, si Jad Sajig, Bidzig, Talan, Zulweta at si Ong. Bidzig, being hounded, Ong, pinasa kay Ong, Bidzig sa ilalim. No good, one more time, Bidzig, wala pa rin, Ong, naka-rebound, Ong, tiningkayad. Rebound battle won by Bautista, ouch. Bautista driving strong. Foul. Dex. Na ano? Napok. Okay, same ball po tayo. Aris, kick pass kay number 3. Number 3, kay Aris naman, Aris, slowly looks in, boom, wala! That could bring the house down. Ong, sa ilalim, 2 points. Again, number 3. Canton, driving strong, foul, swiped away. Okay, si Daniel Limutan is watching. Kay Christian Tan, shoutout kay Bautista, the Macho Man. Ayos. Canton, pops up. Wala, nating batnet. Ganun kagad. Ganun lang, whisk lang. Second shot. To tie the ball game again. Pops up. Both basket made. Okay. Both basket made again. Bidzig. Huli. Balik. Oy, pre. Nagpapasal si Christian. Macho man ka daw. Macho man daw ng laro. Okay, now ito. Bidzig kay Talan. Power move to Talan. Pasok. 8 minutes 10 remaining. Bautista. Bautista driving strong. Nawala ang bola. Isa pa, Bautista. Deep hold shot. Hindi. Hindi pumasok. Bedzig. Bedzig. Pinasa kay Zajic. Zajic kay Ong. Sa ilalim. Ong. Malakas. And to number 3. Canton. Palpal. Bautista. Palpal din. Pero may foul. There's a foul called. Foul called. Foul called. Again, Bautista shooting for 2. Okay, sabi rito. Sabi ni Richard Tan. Christian Tan rather. Richard the Macho Man Bautista. Oh man. First shot ni Macho Man. Wala. Eh sabi niya, hindi ako sabi niya, hindi sabi niya, sabi ni Tan. Okay, second shot po ni Bautista. Pops up. Oh, pumasok. Okay. Time. 5 seconds. Okay, timeout called by QR Towers. Okay, ano muna, mukhang kailangan na mag-brief nila. Okay, timeout po called by QR Towers. The score is 37-36. Lamang pa rin po ang QR Towers ng isa. Okay, watching right now the first game for the quarterfinals matchup between QR Towers and CAS. 37-36 po score po natin. Also calling now Extreme Bowlers and The Hub. Punta na po kayo dito. Third quarter na po. Maraming salamat po. Okay. Balik muli po tayo sa ball game. Third quarter still ongoing now. Ong, nagtatrap na. Trapping. And kay Bautista. Bautista! 2 points Bautista. Binitbit ang bola. Space, pare, space. 1 minute. May clearance yan. Bedzig. Nag-trapping na. They're not trapping. They're not trapping. Out of bounds. Out of bounds, out of bounds. Out of bounds. They're trapping now. They're trapping now. CAS now is beginning to do the trap. And still almost completed. Okay. Talan. Bedzig. 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 Bedzig being hounded. 17. 17. Jolens. Wala. Number 26. And nakuha ni Canton. Canton against Ong. Canton. Canton. Malakas. Ong. Binababa ang bola. Ong for 3. Bang! Sinagot ni Ong ang challenge. 3 points, Mr. Ong. Ong take 3 points po kagad. 40-38. Lamang na naman ang dalawa ang QR Towers. 6 minutes, 17 remaining. Bautista lost the ball. And it's a foul called. Okay, Natch Matin. And it's a timeout called by CAS. They want to map this thing around again. And a 2-point lead still being enjoyed by Team QR Towers. CAS, nagdala po ng isang batalyon, isang pulutong po na mga malalaro po ngayon. Their bench is very, very deep. Sa QR Towers po is now, they have to now pace out now. They have to do now pacing game because their bench po is little shallow right now. Okay, balik muli po tayo sa laro po natin. CAS for the inbound. Number 4, Lumawag. Inbounding. Oh, it's wrong. Okay. Cure Towers. Sorry, Cure Towers pala. Zulueta. Ong, malakas ang pasa kay Ong. Sorry po. Okay, now to Roldan. Roldan, kick pass. Ang lakas ang pass ni Roldan. Balik muli po sa team QR Towers ang bola. They will now do the trapping again. Matayas, pumasok na rin po pala para QR Towers. Matayas. Pounded, stolen away, foul called. Okay, normal foul lang. Inbound. Backward inbound. Okay, side throw. Roldan inbounding. Roldan, now to Rivera, number 16. Rivera, nakuha ng pick. Rivera, driving strong. Matayas, naipit. Bautista for 3. Nope, it's driving strong. Kick pass kay number 4. Lumawag. Matayas, intercepted. Bidzig. 2-on-2 situation. Nakuha ni Ong. Okay, mag-aantay na yan. Bidzig. Zadig. 2 points, Zadig. 5 minutes remaining. Third quarter action. Sabi ni Ariola, shoutout kay Terdigner Canton. Nangangain ng buhay. Ano pa yan? 42-41. Intercepted. Matayas, kick pass kay Rivera. 2 points lamang ang Cavs. Zadig. Bidzig. Zoro. Ed now kay Talan. Malakas. Bautista palpal. Swiped away by Zulueta. Ha. No good. 42-40 laman ng pisa po ang Cavs. Roldan driving strong. Nope, it's Bautista. Tumapak sa linya. Again, sabi dito ni Ariola, shoutout kay Terdigner Canton, nangangain ng buhay. 2 points by Mr. Bidzig. 2 points Bidzig. Number 1, Roldan. Bautista. For 3. Bang! Long 3, ginawa ni Bautista. 44-46. Malakas ang pasa. Foul! Okay, balik muli tayo. 44-46. Lamang na po, muli po ang Cavs from a 3-point shot ni Bautista. 16. Floater shot. It's out. Foul. Zulueta. Penalty situation. Okay, penalty situation. Team QR Towers. Take 2, Mr. Bautista. Sabi niya, hindi sabi niyo, sabi niya. It's out. Oh, sabi rito, Joe Gamit, grabe ka, macho man, Richard Bautista. Si Gamit. Joe Gamit says, macho man, grabe ka talaga. Second shot ni Bautista. Kristan. It's in. 44-47. Lamang na po ng tatlo ang team Zadig. Ong, labas muna route. Nilabas muna. Bidzig. Zadig. Think it, nope, it's Bidzig. No good. Malakas ang pasa. Bidzig again. Bidzig stole the ball. Intercepted. Bidzig! 2 points, Bidzig. Now kay Mr. Lumawag. Number 4, nakalusot. Number 4. Traveling violation. Plantado ng depensa. Parang pader. 46-47, 2 minutes 12 remaining. Ong. Bidzig. Ong. Zurweta. No good. Lumawag. Ayun. Bautista. Easy 2. Okay, 46-49. Lamang na naman ng tatlo. Zajic. Bidzig. Driving strong. Foul. Wala. Sabi ni J. Prince Gray. Ha. Okay. Okay, now Bidzig. Kick pass kay Zulueta. Ong for 3. Bang! Tabla. 49. Papasok na. Pa-4 quarter na tayo. Roldan. Driving strong. Lost the ball. And kick pass kay Ong. Pumasok. Tinda naman si Ong. No good. And now kay Bautista. Swiped away again. Same ball. Third quarter na, pre. Ano na? Papasok na sa fourth quarter. Ano siya mga tao mo? Oh, good. Okay, Roldan for the inbound. Lumawag. Kumat. Foul! Hard foul. Talan. Called for the foul. Lumawag shooting for 2. Lumawag first shot. It's out. Second throw, jumpers ready. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Kapos. Both baskets break. Zajic. Foul on Matayas. Matayas called for the foul. Substitution made now kay Zajic para kay Mr. Antegra. Paganda po sa fourth quarter action po yan. Antegra inbounding. Relax ka lang. Team cast tayo. Rivera, dukot, pasok. Christian Tan, shot kay Titan, Tikas, defensive game, Richard Bautista. Lost the ball. Still completed almost. Okay, sabi ni Darren Modesta, shot kay Don Matthew Silva at kay Kim Echano Gamaya. Galingan nyo palalo, mga buddy. And kay Roldan, Rivera, wala. One more time. Wala na. 2 seconds remaining. Last second na. Fourth quarter na. Fourth quarter na.
Ano fourth quarter na?
Oh. 49-51, laman ng tatlo. And 2-7, binato na lang. Javelin ang ginawa niya. Okay, yan si Paul Papa. Dima. Ayos. Bakit? Agoy. Kaya kung di nga. Isang kanina yun, pwede mo magsakita naman yun. Ayun, yun nga. Basis chud. Okay, fourth and final quarter start. 49-51. Laman po ng dalawa ang CAS. Yo, what's up? Ano ba sa house rules ba? May house rules ka eh. Tapos sa amin, call subito number 1. Call subito number 1. Eto na. Okay, Asinjo, number 421, si Canton, si Bautista, si Mata, si Contreras, and si number 12. Kabila lang po, again, same pa rin. And now, Asinjo, Canton, pops up, no good. And nakuha na, still completed, talan, kapos! Canton, mas Canton nagmamadali, Canton, slicing, dicing, and they're popping, no good. Rebound by number 12, dukot, malakas, and tip in ni Bautista. Antegra, binigay mo na kay Bedzig, Antegra, uy, traveling violation. Naunang yapak sa tapak. Okay, may dito pala. Sino to? Si Serrano, si JS. Boss, pa-shoutout kay Big, kay Mr. Jack Collins ng Team QR. Okay, Mr. Jack Collins, shoutout po sa iyo. Maraming salamat po. That's kay Mr. S. Still completed. Antegra, lead pass, and nawala ang bola kay napunta kay Canton, top of the key, 2 points, Canton. Antegra lost the ball, almost, and still completed. Now, counter steal by Bedzig, 49-55, Ong thinking 3, pops up, it's out, and it's out of bounds. Okay. David Zoro is watching. And now kay Asinjo, Bautista binabantayan. Difficult shot. Nakuha ni Antegra. Now Ong, hounded. And it's a foul called. Foul on Canton. Almost had it. Yung dalawa, yung Ratang Boys mo nandan. Si Nitro, tsaka si Valdez, tsaka si ano, tsaka si Taglipa. Mga Ratang Boys mo. Ha? Saan? Ouch. Okay, balik muli po tayo. 7:40 remaining. Bedzig, binabantayan ni Canton. Foul! Cylinder. Aray ko. Ref. Bola. Cylinder yan. Bedzig. Driving strong. Zulueta to Bedzig. Nakuha ni Bautista. Foul again, Bentegra. 49-55 at 7 minutes 14 remaining. 49-55. CAS inbounding. Canton setting up the pace. Bautista against Bedzig. Bautista driving strong. Wala. Rebound by number 41. Asinjo. Same ball, sabi. Same ball daw. CAS inbounding. And nakuha ni okay, shoutout muna. Okay, kay Canton mali. Canton, top of the key, no good. Rebound ni Zadig. Ong, Zadig, malakas ang pasa kay Kong, sayang. Well read ang play na yun. Again, back muli po tayo. Sige, ano yung kunilo? Kunilo yung pinimasigan. Okay, balik po tayo si Canton. Canton inbounding. Setting the pace. Contreras, Kumatsi, Asinjo. Nakuha niyo ang bola. Ong, 3-on-2 situation. 3-on-2. Ong, binabate ni Canton. Ong, for 2. No good. Difficult shot. And now kay Bautista. For 3. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Sabi niya. Okay, Bautista. 3 points. 5 minutes 42 remaining. 49-58. A 9-point lead. Intercepted pa ni Bautista. Bautista. And it's a foul call by Bidzig. Foul na down. Timeout called by QR Towers. Para sa mga ladies, Okay, balik tayo ngayon sa ating laro ngayon. 5 minutes 34 remaining. 49-58 lamang na po ng Siyam ang CAS. CAS looking na to put away now this game. And also the first semifinal seat now will be booked now by CAS if they win this game. Or say, Curacao say, wait a minute, we still have the ball. And Bautista, 2 points Bautista. Bautista, 2 points. And now si Bidzig. Zajic going strong. Rebound number 4. Talang binabantayan si number 4. Si Lumawag. Again Bautista. Oop, teka lang. Okay, sa violation kay Mr. Bautista. Di pala pwede yun. Rep, ano yun? Anong tawag yun? Travel Okay, traveling violation called. Bawal pala yun. Quick steps. Bidzig, malakas! Talan, naka-rebound. Talan for 3! No good. Lumawag, almost had the ball. And again, now to Bautista again. Bautista thinking 3, nope. Driving strong, double teamed. And now kay number 19. Nope. Rebound number 4. Lumawag. Nice stop. Good interception by number 26. 4 minutes remaining. Canton nakalusot. Canton pops up. Top of the key. No good. Rebound battle by Talan. Bidzig. Zajic. And to Ong. Binabantayan. Ong. No good. Pagod na. And now to Bautista. Bautista for 3. Ayaw niya. Number 19. Kay Canton. Sabi rito ni Prince Gray, parang na-inlove ako. Kanino? 2 points. Kay sayo, number 4. Pambira. Okay. Jay Prince Gray, parang nilabs ako sa'yo. Kay Lumawag, na-inlove ko sa'yo. And now, malakas ang tira. And Bautista, may tangan pa rin ang bola. Bautista against Bidzig. Bautista, bang! Again, that's a foul called on Talan. Bautista shooting for 2. 3 minutes 1 remaining. 49-62 score po natin. ball. Bautista. Free throws ni Bautista. Pops up. It's out. Second shot, Bautista. Pops up. It's out. Lumawag, naka-rebound. Palpal. Bedzig ng mamadali. Zajic. Palipasa. And lost the ball. Number 5, inbounding. That's Omas. Number 27. Omas. Nakuha ni Ong. Bola. Ong. 2 points Ong. 51-62, an 11-point lead. Silva, binababa ang bola. Now to Mr. Gamaya. Gamaya for 3. No good. Now doon si Zulueta. Again to Zulueta again. From Zajic. Now again Ong for 3. Kapos. 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Silva. Omas driving. Dish of pass. 2 points, number 16. Zajic. Zulueta. 2 points, Zulueta. 2 points. 27. 27. Double team already. Now, Omas. Silva. Ayun kay 27. Nawala ang bola. 27 again, 27. Binababa muna palabas. And now kay Omas. Bishop, wala. Kay Zulueta. Thinking 3. Nope, it's Zulueta again. 2 points. Zajic. 55-64. 9-point lead ng Kalamangan. Ng CAS. 1 minute remaining. Okay, they're now milking the clock. Gamaya for 3. Bang! 3 points, Gamaya. And a fight timeout now called by QR Towers. CAS now looking at the book now the first semifinal seat in the 3rd season of the Aviation Friendly League, dubbed as the Flying League. Okay, 49 seconds remaining. 55-67. Zulueta to Mr. Zajic. Zajic for 3. Malakas. Rebound, battle 1 by 22. Talan for 3. Bang! 3 points. 58-67. Lamang po ng 8 na lang ang team up. Foul called. Okay, may ano lang. May konting scuffle lang po ng konti. Okay, which call rep? Same ball po. Silva for the inbound. Silva and to Omas against Zajic. Omas. Silva. Lost the ball. And now again, kay Talan. Binabad ni Silva ang bola. Sayang. Okay, that's it. Gamaya. No good. Number 16, 2 points. Okay, that's it. And welcome to the semifinals. Team CAS. Final score, 58-69. After this, meron po tayong post-game interview po tayo. And kudos po sa Team QR Towers for giving a valiant effort. Pero sinalig pa rin po ang Team CAS. Family photo. Nice game, sir. Nice game. Nice game. Good game. Good game. Nice game, bro. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay, CAS, welcome to the semis. Final score, 58-69. Lahat. Lahat po, please. Mag-2 rows na kayo. Iba, luluhod na. Compress na po. Okay, welcome to the semis po, Team CAS. Okay, sino po POG, sir? POG of the game, POG of the game. Okay, lumawag. Okay, lumawag. Sisikip kayo sa akin. Tawagin mo yung coach mo pati. Tawagin mo yung coach mo. Tawagin yung coach mo. Sino coach nyo?
Sir Owen Nakamura.
Hindi, sino coach nyo ngayon? Yung coach nyo ngayon. Sino coach nyo ngayon?
Alisin niya.
Sila.
Alin dito, ikaw.
Post game interview. Post game interview po tayo. Hello. Sino yung Doon Fernando. Ay, ikaw. Okay, we right now po ngayon kay Mr. Lumawag. Sino yung coach na ngayon? Acting coach lang. Dito. Okay, kailangan focus tayo muna. Dito, okay, dito. Okay, sir, Mr. Lumawag and also Coach Dapitan, welcome to the semis po, sir. Any word po, sir? Sa pagkakapunta mo sa semis ngayon. Semis na nanakit, semis na kagod kayo. Okay.
Galing tong kababayan ko. Ginalingan kayo, nanalo kami, sir. Salamat kay Lord. Kay Lord pala.
Thank you. Lumawag, any word, sir? Dito, mag-quiz ka dito.
Congrats sa Team CAS. Congrats all team. Sana tuloy-tuloy na yung tuloy-tuloy na yung pangarap natin for the third. Shout out to all team CAS and shout out to my wife also watching now, J.R. Prince Gray.
Teka, hindi pa tapos. May isang tanong siya. Ngayon yung concern po ba, sir, nung kanina sa second quarter, lumamang sila ng 5 or 7? Para medyo na ba kayo? Na-rattle kayo that time?
Sa amin, hindi naman sir.
Pero naano nyo na-compensate?
Sir.
Kaya bumawag na kayo na
Nagawa kami ng bagong strategy para...
Okay, napansin ko nung nag-trap na kayo, na. Oo, ma, sama ka na rito. Sama ka. Natatakot sila. Okay, now, we need po. Sige, now. I give you now 1 minute to shout out everybody. Sige, sir.
Shout out to my wife is watching now from
English yung pare, English,
J.R. Prince Gray.
Okay, next. Dapitan, anywhere po, sir? Lanao del Norte. Okay, shout out po. And also, that is now. Again, welcome to the semis. Team Qatar Aviation Services.
Thank you.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay, sabi ni Elska to. Si Jerby daw ang secret weapon nila. Jerby daw ang secret weapon daw nila. Okay, thank you po. And with it, maraming salamat po. And sa amin po